Hello, welcome to the repair videos from We Repair New Zealand. Today we just have a job to replace the screen for a customer. The phone is iPhone 8 Plus. So this phone has been replaced the screen before, and then when we replace the screen, the true tone, so there's no true tone anymore. Let's have a look. You see, there's no true tone here. So we show you how to repair the true tone and then bring it back. Okay, let's start. So we connected the phone to the computer, and there's a program called WL Assistant. So this program will read the MtSN code from the phone, from the motherboard. Here it is, and then we write this one into that new screen we just replaced, and to fix the true tone. Okay, let's do it. We switch off the phone. Okay. Connect the screen to the writer. Right, connect there, and then back to the program here. So here is the code we are going to write into the screen. So we just click write. Okay. Just click write. It's writing. That's the progress bar. Okay, it's finished. Let's try.这个电池排线扣上了。Okay. Right. Let's start. Okay, sure. You see, the true tone is here. Then, right, so it's working. The true tone is successfully here. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.